Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would be going to discuss about derivation and discriminant of solution of quadratic equations. There are also nature of roots. So get started. Derivation. Derivation of quadratic equation is by using completing the square method. This is the general form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First step, divide all the term by a. Ax square by a, bx by a, c by a is equal to 0 by a cancel, x square plus b by a, x plus c by a is equal to 0. Next step, left hand side x terms and right hand side constant only. So before equation, left hand side keep x term, first two terms, and right hand side is constant term. So x square plus b by a, x minus c by a. Then next step, completing the square in left hand side, x square plus b by a, x. Here second term sign is plus, so a plus b whole square form, a square plus 2ab plus b square. In expansion 3 term is there, but here is only 2 terms. So in left hand side also make 3 terms. So in second term 2ab form, so in second term 2 is need there. So 2 multiply 2, then divided by 2, 1 by 2, b by ax plus the second time is over. Then in expansion 3 time is there, 3 time is needed. So b a is equal to x. So then b is equal to a is equal to x. So the remaining term is a is equal to x, then 2 is the remaining term, that is b by 2a is b. So b by 2a whole square, add b by 2a whole square in left hand side. So right hand side also needed to add b by 2a whole square. Left hand side now a square plus 2ab plus b square form, that is x plus b by 2a whole square form. Right hand side minus c by a plus b square by 4a square. In right hand side a and 4a square. 4a square is the multiple of a, since LCM is equal to 4a square. So LCM multiplication, 4a square by a is equal to 4ac. Then 4a square by 4a square b square only. So right hand side minus 4ac plus b square by 4a square, squaring on both sides. Left hand side square is cancelled, right hand side square root. That is first time b square minus 4ac by square root 4a square. Square root 4a square, square root of 4 is equal to 2 and square root of a square is equal to a. So b square minus 4ac by 2a. In left hand side b plus 2a is there, transpose right hand side minus b by 2a. Then rearrange the terms, minus b plus or minus b square minus a, b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here solution x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Then on illustration, 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Solution is equal to x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here a is equal to b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 6. Put the values in this equation. Minus 1 plus or minus 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 6. Under the square root is equal to 48, 49. So square root of 49 is equal to 7. So 1 minus 7, 8 by 4 is equal to minus 2. Then again 6 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2. So minus 2 and 3 by 2 is the solution. Then discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called a discriminant of the equation because the nature of the root is determining discriminant. This part is determining the nature of the root. Nature of the root is 3 cases is there. If b square minus 4a is equal to 0, the quadratic equation have 2 equal roots, that is b by 2a, b by 2a. b square minus 4a is equal to 0, see this part total 0. Then left only minus b by 2a. That is the reason. b square minus 4a is equal to 0. The quadratic equation have 2 equal roots, b by 2a and b by 2a. b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. The quadratic equation have two different roots. Here plus or plus b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus b square minus 4ac by 2 different roots. b square minus 4ac less than 0, which means that part is negative. If negative it will come, the quadratic equation have no real roots. Then in this discriminant, one more possible or not condition. In possible condition, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, two equal roots. So that situation is possible. b square minus 4ac greater than 0, two different roots, that also possible. Not possible case, b square minus 4ac less than 0. So here concluded all the concept about solution of quadratic equation. The derivation is over and the discriminant and its explanation, all the things are over. Thank you for watching.